Happy birthday, June! God bless!
Happy birthday po, Tito.
Happy birthday po, Tito June.
Happy birthday, June! Sana maraming pang karawan ang dumating sa buhay mo. Isang kagalakan sa aming pamilya na makasama ka na maging parte ng aming pamilya. Salamat sa mga suporta at tulong na pinagkaloob mo sa amin. Salamat, isa kang mabuting tao, mapagmahal na asawa at ama. Sana lagi kang nasa mabuting kalagayan. Ingat ka palagi. Happy birthday ulit. God bless.
3, 2, 1. Happy 50th birthday, Tito JC! We praise God for His faithfulness to you and your family, and we praise God also for your faithfulness to Him. You exemplify Colossians chapter 2 verse 2, older men are to be sober-minded, dignified, self-controlled, sound in faith, in love, and in steadfastness.
You've been a blessing sa Anduesa family. Thank you, June, for taking good care of my sister and my niece and nephew. And also, of course, you and Ned are kanang second parents ni Mimi dyan sa New Zealand. So, nagpapasalamat kami sa kabutihan mo na pinapakita hindi lang sa aming family kundi hindi sa fellow believer. We are blessed by your life. Happy birthday.
Happy 50th birthday, Tito JC!
Happy birthday, Brother June! Ang wish ko, kapatid, ay patuloy na maging kagamit-gamit ikaw, ang iyong buong pamilya sa gawain dyan, sa inyo, at patuloy na dinadalangin ko rin na maging dyan, blessing kayong family sa buong angkan mo, sa buong angkan ng Anduesa, sa Kaeg. Hindi namin malilimutan, kapatid, ang panahon na tayo nagkasama-sama rito, yung masasaya nating mga nakaraan, nandito yan. Kaya, happy birthday. God bless you all there.
Para sa pinakagwapo kong inaanak.
Bulera.
Brother June, happy birthday! Sir Amboy, gwapo ka rin.
Happy birthday, Brother June.
Hi, Jared. Say mo, hi, Jared. Ako yung
Hello,
nagyaya
Jared.
mo. Ako yung yaya mo nung dito ka sa Pilipinas. Dali, masaya.
Hello, Jared. Ako yaya mo dito sa Pilipinas. I love you.
Huwag ka makalimot. Tayo yaya.
Happy birthday, Brother June.
God bless you.
We thank the Lord for your faithfulness in the ministry.
God bless you.
God bless you.
Enjoy your day. Yes, enjoy your day. And hello to everyone. Kay Net and kids. Sa lahat. Kay Lenny, kay Apple. Happy birthday. Enjoy your 50th birthday today.
Ingatan kayo ng Panginoon dyan.
Ingatan kayo ng Panginoon. We miss you all. We miss you.
Hi Jude! Blessed birthday, more years to come. Thank you for love and support mo sa aming family, lalong-lalo na kay Lovely, kay Apple, at sa aking mga apo. You're always a blessing to everyone. Enjoy your day. Continue serving the Lord. Happy birthday, June!
Happy birthday, Tito JC!
Thank you, Tito JC, for everything.
Happy 18th birthday, Tito JC! We love you. Always mag-iingat kayo lagi dyan.
Okay, Kuya JC, salamat po sa lahat-lahat. Wala akong masabi. You're the best. One of the best bayaw. Thank you po. Bye!
Happy birthday, Tito June. God bless you.